Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where the USB device is not recognized in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's the thing. First of all, we will try basic troubleshooting steps to restart the computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next one is to change the USB port because one USB port may be bad, so we can try another one and then check the device on another computer if the issue is with the device or your computer, and obviously try changing the cable if that is an option. Now, what else can we do from the software level? Nothing much. We can only update the drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for universal serial bus controllers. Right click on the USB root hub drivers and update each and every one of them. Okay, update all of them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.